Make a great choice today with 2012 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, AM, FM, CD, MP3 radio, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.